Hi guys, so I got this 4 kg worth of item with me. I I ordered these goods from China and it's literally coming from 1688 and Pinduoduo. I didn't just order from just 1688, and these goods are just strictly for my business. They are jewelries and other personal stuff. So guys, let's unbox together. Lock the door for me, I beg. Lock the door. So the first one, why is this one scattered like this? See, and it's even open. These ones are jewelries. These are stainless steel jewelries. They are plenty. Maybe when I snap all of them up, I'm gonna post it here on TikTok or on YouTube. So this, they are like 21 pieces. So the second one, this is Bottega dupe necklace, and this is the Bottega dupe earring casings. These are from China and they are good quality. So who says China doesn't sell good quality products? This is the next one. These people literally open everything. I don't know what they are checking. These are rings. These are stainless steel rings. Like they are not even stainless steel, they are titanium steel. You know we have different types of materials for jewelries. This one's are titanium. I guess. I'll show you guys all this. But that should be later because I don't want this video to be too long. Receipt. Glasses are here. Oh my god, like these people are funny. I think I told let them just make sure this thing did not spoil. Because are you serious? Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyway. Oh my god, see. Ooh. Yep. So this is it. These glasses are really nice. Wow, like how no, I don't buy silver. You know people don't really like silver rings like that. I love this one is the lemon. Oh, this girl, I'm not going to be testing it though. Oh my god. Ooh. I love I love this. So please contact me if you want any of this because it's for sale. Please keep it aside. What's this now? What can this be? This one that they packaged like this. I don't understand. What is this one? Because I don't get. Oh, hey, there are glasses. So can you see this? Oh, woo! These are glasses. I'll just show you guys just a few of them. A few. This one's another one too. Guys, there's this particular one I want to show you guys. I've ordered this one before, but I had to order it again because people really liked it. Okay. Okay. So I'm so in love with this. But really, why are these people really doing special goods and normal goods? If they can really send special goods with normal goods at the same time and nothing will damage, like none of them will damage. So why are they doing special goods and taking extra money for special goods? Because I don't get. Oh, let me get this. Cover it up. Wait, wait. What's the next? On to the next. These ones are sets. This one's they came in set. This one's earrings, 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 earrings. I'm taking this one. Okay, now it's so nice. Check it now. This one. On to the next. Which ones? I don't get. This ones. I love these earrings. Like did they break? I don't know if this one broke up. Maybe that's how they did it. I don't know. This is literally from Pinduoduo. See the card. Pinduoduo. On to the next. This one is for me. On to the next. Okay, this one's a set. This one is necklace and earrings. These are ball necklace and earrings. This one is for the gold. I don't know. I don't know if that is not good, or maybe that's how it is. I don't get. So this one. Hmm, this one is nose ring. This kind of nose ring I have on. See them? They are mini. So I think they gave me this for the storage. Can you see? These people are trying. I can store them in here. But I don't know something I can use to pin it down. Wait, this is my type of nose ring. So this is like a spoon set. Yeah, this is like a spoon set, culturally set. This like where you can store them, and these are the sets. Okay, Zivar. So I'll store them in here. This one's are for noodles. Yeah. So store them in here. I'm happy. Did you come out from here? Ah, is it that this bag is not big or what? I'm not supposed to tell you everything. Is it not if you need it to tell me? Chinese people sell everything. And the bag is not very big, oh. And the quality is not even giving what I expected. But it's still nice though. Okay. It's just like a tote bag, right? It's not giving what I really. So why is it like that? What did you get? These are like gloves. But I asked for white and I asked for black. So why did you give me two black gloves for display? Why? Why did they do this to me? This is not really what I asked for. And this is from Pinduoduo. I asked for black and white and they gave me black and black. I think the milk is even better, like the milk color is better than the black. Why is it smelling this way? And this one is just like a gift for me from the people I got this jewelries from. This is it. Okay. This is that same ball necklace and earring set, but this is the silver. Yeah, so why did this one come out from the nine? This is funny. Oh. It's tiny. It's so tiny. My god. Why is it this tiny? No. I said you should go here. No. Knuckle rings. This one is seems like it will not size me, but it did. Ziva. Put it here. It's just like that earring that woman bought yesterday. See this one. So it's also from Pinduoduo. Pinduoduo. Okay, these ones are jewelry boxes. Jewelry boxes. I see. So, in case there are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. In case if I get an order and they need this box. So that's it for what we got. So maybe later, jewelry box. So maybe later I will put up the pictures of what I bought and how it is when I ordered it. So, but I love this. It's just okay. It's not too much and it's not too bad. It's not too big and it's not too small. It's not like a full stop. So, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like. But if you want to know how I ordered all this, I will put up a video about it. But I also have a video on how to order from Pinduoduo. That should be the last video I posted before this one. Okay, so go over and watch it. I'll put the link in the description box down below. Bye.